Okay, one of the nice features of eEdge is it does allow you to create custom 33 touch campaign touches. And so sometimes you may have a unique event that you want to promote, and I'm going to show you how you can load that into a blank template that we created in another video so that you can interact with your customers and really have a custom message going out. So what we're going to do, we're going to start clicking on My Marketing, and we're going to create marketing materials, and that's going to bring up the marketing section of eEdge. What we're going to do is we're going to pull a blank template that we had created in a previous video that's going to be now under the My Saved Pieces. In My Saved Pieces, it was a flyer that we created. We created a blank template right here. So I'll go ahead and click on Blank Template, and that's going to be the option to either preview or open or print. I'm going to click the Create Edit button. And that's going to open the editor so that we can start adding text and our images. Now, oftentimes we will have sent out to you an image for an event in a JPEG, and this is where you're going to be able to load that in, add some custom text that's specifically directed to your customer base, and then you're going to be able to send that out. It's going to be branded with your name and your contact information, and it's going to be able to go out to everyone that's in your eEdge groups. So whatever group that you're wanting to send that to, if it's your A clients, your B clients, whatever the case may be, or maybe it's co-op agents that you want to invite to an event. Sometimes this kind of sticks, so I'm just going to reload the editor here. And when this comes up, we're going to have the blank template that we had started with previously, that we had previously created. All right, here we go. And of course I'm recording, so it is taking just a little bit more of my resources on my PC. So this is the blank template that we created earlier for a flyer. I'm just going to kind of scroll down to show you what this looks like at the bottom. We have the Keller Williams logo, we have the agent's branded information in it. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off by just adding a text box so we can add some kind of a greeting or a message to the top of the image. So we're going to click on the Add button. We're going to click Add Text Box, and it's going to just put in a blank text box. We're going to kind of drag it out to where we want it to be. Okay. There we go. And then we're going to go ahead and add our text. I have some text that I've left that I put in from another cut and paste. So we're going to add our text in, create our text size. Let's say we want this to be about 18 point, and we're going to go to ill, and we're going to make that be black, and we're going to center that. There we go. So we hope you can join us Sunday, October 20th, 2013, Fun Fest. All right, so we have that. Now let's go to our image. So we have our image that we've downloaded it. You've saved it maybe to your desktop or somewhere that you know where to go get it. So we're going to click Add. We're going to click Image, Add Image. Then it's going to let us go find that on our computer. So here I have the Fun Fest image that we had sent out to you. So I'm going to open that. And what it's going to do is it's going to import that into this piece. So we're typically going to always start dragging and dropping this a little bit bigger, get it the size we want it to be. And that'll about do right there. And then we'll just be able to scooch this down a little bit, and there we go. So now we have that. And I'm going to click outside the white area just to be able to see what it looks like. So as I scroll down a little bit, we hope you can join us. We have the Fun Fest. Perhaps there's something else that you would want to add to this. Maybe you want to add a map of where this is going to be at. You could certainly do that. Click the Add a Bing map. You can put in the address of where your event is going to be at in this case. I'm going to go ahead and just remove the map, but there are lots of other things you can put in there. Let's add one more text box, and let's say, we hope to see you at the Fun Fest. And exclamation point. Okay. So we're going to drag this down a ways, and to the bottom a little bit. And we're going to increase the font size here just a little bit. Let's make sure to grab it all. Let's make this be fairly large, fill up the space a little bit, and again, Arial black, that comes through nicely. Now, this particular template is a flyer template, so it's designed to be an 8.5 by 11 size. You can also customize other templates that'll be a little bit smaller, maybe will be more ideal for being able to send a smaller message to your clients. But here we go, we have this. So we hope to see you at the Fun Fest. Maybe we'll center this just a little bit more. You can always kind of tweak your image and your message as you see fit. And then what we're going to do is we're all done. So we have everything in here. We're going to come up and we're going to click Save. Save As. We're going to call this Fun Fest Invite. And we're going to click Save. Okay, and that's going to go ahead and save the file. It is going to always ask us if we want to preview the file or exit the editor. We're going to exit. We're going to say yes, we've previewed that. So now it's going to bring us back here to the screen that would allow us to be able to then either create a print. So if you wanted to print this flyer off and hand it out to someone, you'd be able to come up here and do desktop print. If you want to email that, then you can click email and your editor will come up and allow you to pick the group that you want to email that to. And I always like to preview it first and just get a sense of what it looks like if it were to go out. So here you can see we can, let me scroll down just a little bit for you here. So we can see that this says we hope you can join us. So the text is there, everything that we've been, and of course that's at the bottom. The footer, excuse me, at the bottom does allow you to use a print preview. Anytime you use a flyer template, you will get a print preview option that will let you export this as a PDF, which I kind of like. It's kind of nice and easy to be able to save that as a PDF. So we're going to email that. Then we'll just click the email button. You'll pick an individual of who it's going to go to. So I'm going to just select my name here. All right, so Brian Wentz, done. You'll put a subject in there. Fun Fest. And perhaps you may want to add some additional text up here. Please join us. The image doesn't always come through. It isn't the first thing that pops up sometimes on the email, so sometimes a little bit of text at the top is nice. Ultimately, whatever you decide to add here, keep it short. Click the send email. It's going to ask if you want to confirm sending the email. Say yes. And there you go. You have created a custom 33 touch piece. Now, this could be used if you wanted to send a do you know a buyer? Do you know a seller? Any kind of a unique custom touch that you'd want to send out each and every month, you'd be able to schedule these in advance, just customize them, and go ahead and send that out to your group. That's all I have for you. I made a custom 33 touch piece. Good luck.